get started. Can you believe my first sunrise ever was in Rio, and I think it will be hard to top this one. It's so amazing. You can see all those mountains. They are so beautiful and so big, and they also are so far away but look so close. This moment will for sure leave memories for a lifetime. And yeah, talking about mountains, I guess we're going to the Sugarloaf.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms.
The view there was just amazing, and I took a bunch of dope photos. As our little Sugarloaf adventure ended, we had to go after another one. And this is where Rockin' Rio kicked in.
Here we go, it's on the line. Here we go, it's on the line. Here we
those were the best moments of 3 insane days of rock in Rio, and very tiring days as well, but in the end, they were all worth it. After that, I went for sleeping, some rest, and the other day by the morning, I was going up to the Corcovado to see the Redeemer as close as possible.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Now it's the time for the thing that kept me nervous the whole trip. I've never been afraid of heights, but things like helicopters and airplanes get me nervous. I just don't really know why. And this thing was getting me really nervous. On my way to the heli airport, I was just so afraid and so nervous that my head was fighting against that fear and anxiety, and I just didn't know what to do. At this point, my dad asked if I really wanted to go, and he said there was no problem if I didn't. But I looked at him back and said, I'll go for one simple reason. I will regret not going.
Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Close through the night, I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape.
Look at what I would have missed if I didn't overcome my fear.